Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having an amazing day today. In today's video, I'm going to be creating a makeup look using the Huda Beauty Pastels Lilac eyeshadow palette right here. I got this adorable little palette from my BoxyCharm premium box for the month of February, and I couldn't wait to play with it. So if you want to see how I created this look right here and also get some swatches of this little palette, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so here's a closer look at the palette. As you can tell, it's a very light color story. It's a pastel palette, of course, and you got some really pretty shimmers and this very interesting shimmer here, and then some mattes, and then I did swatch it really quickly in my hand right here, and this is what it looks like. The shimmers look pretty pretty. You got some rosy shimmers and purples. This matte here almost disappeared into my skin, but that's what that looks like. And then now we're going to go ahead and get into the tutorial. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is prime my eyelids using the NYX eyeshadow base in the shade White. And I'm just going to use my finger to blend this all over my eyelids. And I'm going to go up near the brow bone, just anywhere that I'm going to apply eyeshadow today. Now I'm using a large blending brush, and this is from the brand Luna Magic. There's no number on the brush, and I'm dipping into that sort of mauvey pink / purple shade. There are no names in the palette, but I'm going to use this sort of as a base, and I'm going to apply it all over my crease, and I'm going to really take my time building up the pigment because again, it's a really light shade. So I really just took my time building that up, and then after I have enough pigment, I'm going to go in with the brush and sort of blend it out so that we don't have any harsh lines. And now I'm just perfecting my application, making sure that we don't have any harsh lines. And this shadow did perform nicely, but you do need to make sure that you blend out and that you pack on the pigment so that it's nice and noticeable on your lids. And now taking my finger, I'm going to dip into that really pretty shimmer that was just calling my name. And it did come out looking sort of pink and purple, sort of a mix. And it was just really interesting to me. And I'm going to use my finger to apply this all over my lid. And it did apply really nicely, really nice and smooth. So I'm just taking my time to make sure that I get enough pigment because it is a really light shimmer. But I did like how it looked. And now taking another finger, I'm going to dip into that very beautiful rosy pink shimmer. I just loved the way that it looked in the pan and I wanted to try it out. And I'm going to apply it to my center lid just to get more light in that part of my eye. And I did love what it did to the look and it looks really pretty. And then now I'm going in with the same blending brush from earlier and I'm going to dip into the darkest shade in the palette. And it's sort of just a really matte pastel purple mixed with some hints of blue, I would say. And I'm going to apply this to the outer corner of my eye. Then I'm going to blend it upwards and into my crease. And then I'm also going to use this shade to sort of create a little bit of a wing so that we have a really nice shape to our shadow today. And I did like how it applied. Now taking a lid brush, I'm going to dip into that dark purple again. And I'm going to use this to place it underneath my lower lash line just to get more purple going on in the look. And I'm just going to take my time trying to build up that pigment because again, it's a really light shadow. And I do like the purple vibe. So far the palette is performing really nicely. And I'm going to go in with that pink shimmer again and I'm going to apply it to my inner corner. And it's just so pretty. I think this look is so nice and girly and I love it. But then I really, for some reason, just wanted to smoke things out today. So I did my wing on top and then decided that I wanted black eyeliner on the bottom. Not just on my waterline, but underneath it. And I'm using the Real Her 24-hour eyeliner, the I Am Amazing eyeliner. And I don't know why, for some reason, I just wanted something more smoky. So I went ahead and applied that liner and then went back in with the lid brush and just blended it together to get a more nice and natural, seamless application of that liner mixed with that purple shadow that I applied earlier. And I did end up liking it. I can't believe that I went for a smoky look today, but I did really enjoy how it turned out. Okay, so this is how the look turned out. What do you guys think? I was going for a pastel look, but by the end I needed more, I don't know, I needed more spiciness. So I went ahead and really smoked out the bottom lower lash line here. I like it. I'm not used to doing something so dark, but I really did enjoy how it turned out at the end. And the palette performed really nice. The colors are very, very light, of course, but it is a pastel palette. I really enjoy the shimmers, and it's really nice to have in my collection. And I didn't have any trouble at all with the eyeshadows. But I think it's going to be the end of today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up for me. Don't forget to subscribe before you go. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye, guys. Mwah.